Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, pitting the Sony ZV-E10 against the Canon EOS R100. Whether you're a budding vlogger or just want to capture the perfect selfie, we've got you covered. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, price. The Sony ZV-E10 is around $698 and comes with a treasure trove of accessories, making it a fantastic value for newcomers. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is priced at $829, presenting itself as a stylish option but without the extras that the ZV-E10 offers. Reviewers appreciate the ZV-E10's bundled accessories, while others find the R100's price reflects its quality but lacks the same value proposition. Next, let's chat about image quality. The Sony ZV-E10 boasts a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, perfect for capturing flawless skin tones, while the Canon EOS R100 has a slightly lower 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor but features a DIGIC-8 processor. Reviewers laud the ZV-E10 for its superior image quality and color science, while the R100 is praised for its excellent picture quality, especially for beginners. Some users have reported issues with the R100's autofocus, which can affect image clarity during fast action shots. Now, let's get into autofocus. The ZV-E10 features 425-point fast hybrid AF, great for capturing spontaneous moments. It includes real-time IAF, ensuring your audience sees your best side. Meanwhile, the R100 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering up to 143 zones. Reviewers have pointed out that while the ZV-E10 excels in this area, some users of the R100 have found its autofocus to be frustrating and less reliable, particularly in low-light situations. Let's talk video. The ZV-E10 allows you to shoot UHD 4K at 30 frames per second, perfect for vlogging or filming your pet hamster. The Canon R100, however, shoots at just 6.5 frames per second, which might not be suitable for capturing fast action. Reviewers often highlight the ZV-E10's video capabilities, calling it excellent for video recording, while the R100 is considered more basic and may not meet the needs of serious videographers. Finally, user-friendliness. The ZV-E10 is built for content creators, making it intuitive and easy to use. Reviewers feel it's designed with vloggers in mind, allowing for quick setup and operation. On the other hand, the Canon R100, while compact, has received mixed reviews regarding its usability, with some users finding it a bit tricky and less intuitive. This has led to frustrations among those looking for a straightforward experience. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the Sony ZV-E10 for its value, image quality, and user-friendliness, making it a favorite among vloggers. The Canon EOS R100, while praised for its picture quality and lightweight design, has received mixed reviews mainly due to its autofocus and user experience, leading to some frustrations among users. So there you have it, folks. The Sony ZV-E10 is the party animal, offering tons of features, while the Canon EOS R100 is the stylish friend who may need a little help to keep up. If you're a vlogger or content creator, the ZV-E10 is calling your name. But if you want a lightweight option that's still reliable, the R100 is a solid choice. Remember, whether you go with Sony or Canon, make sure to buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.